In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a PDF in Adobe Acrobat, a useful skill that can come in handy when you need to focus on certain parts of a document. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat open on your computer. Go ahead and open the PDF file you want to work with. This can be done easily by clicking on File at the top left corner of the Acrobat window and selecting Open. Navigate to your file, select it and click Open. Once your PDF is loaded, you should see it displayed on your screen. Now take a look at the top left section of the screen and locate the Edit option. Clicking on Edit will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the Modify Page section. Within this section, you should see the option to Crop Page. Click on this and you'll notice a change in your cursor. It's now primed to allow you to specify the exact portion of the page you want to keep. Next, move your cursor over to your document. To create a selection, click and drag on the page. This action will draw a rectangle around the area of the page you wish to emphasize and keep visible. If you find the need to adjust your selection, simply release your mouse and try again until you're satisfied with the rectangle's positioning. Once you have your selection just the way you want it, you'll need to double click inside that newly defined rectangle. Doing so will open the Set Page Boxes dialog box. This is where you fine-tune your cropping settings. You'll see an option labelled Page Range. For most tasks, you'll want to select All under this option, ensuring that all pages within the document are cropped to match the area you have selected. When you're ready, confirm your choices by clicking OK. At this point, Acrobat will perform the cropping task according to the dimensions and page range you have set. Take a moment to review your document and make sure everything looks just right. If adjustments are necessary, you can repeat the process until you achieve the desired result. And there you go, you've successfully cropped a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Don't forget to save your changes before closing out by navigating once more to the File menu and choosing Save. This ensures all your hard work is preserved. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough straightforward and helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat and other useful software tools. Happy editing!